Hello, welcome to me being on the internet for some reason again. Today I'm going to be showing you my methods for annotating a text. This is the first time I've done it like this because I watched Noelle Gallagher's video on how to annotate and gave me an idea, color coding things. Anyway, as you can see, I've color coded the different characters with a different highlighter. So if I write something or highlight something in the book, it's about a character, whether it's being said by someone or it's the person saying it. Next, here are the themes. I basically put them in different coloured post-it note tabs, which I just cut up, you'll see in a sec, and I just put them on the top whenever there's a theme that comes up so I can easily refer back. Next is just the average writing things. So just expanding or exploding, as some people say, each quote, or as I point out here, stage directions are very helpful when you're doing a play, like don't overlook them. And now I'm just kind of showing you a time lapse of me doing it. There's a lot of time lapse of me that I didn't include that's just reading, and that would be a bit boring to watch because it's just still, but you know, whatever. So just going through, highlighting things and writing about them. I mean, yeah, it's quite a simple process. And as you saw before, I did do some underlining, and I only do that if it's something important like stage directions, that's something not about a character specifically, or a moral of the story that's not necessarily related to a character. Something like that I'll usually underline, but I don't really worry about colour coding because there's only one use for underlining, to be honest. So I just keep that simple, whatever pen I pull out, and I use that. And this is me expertly cutting a piece of post-it note and sticking it on. Did it very carefully for the video. I guess now would be a good time to just say that I really love this text. I mean, if you get an in spectacles, then you're like really lucky because I just find it so intense. I don't know, it's just enjoyable. If I was going to rank the text I'm doing, this would probably be first, then Jekyll and Hyde, then poems, then Romeo and Juliet. Really don't like Romeo and Juliet. I'm not going to go into that now because oof. And here is me underlining. You probably didn't need to see it to know what it was, but here you go anyway. I think this would be a good time to end the video. There's not really much else to say, but here's a video of me dancing to a TikTok my sister was listening to. So bye, and I'll see you next time, I guess.